England is beautiful. Flag hangs in the way. Big Ben clock tower stands proudly. Buckingham Palace is magnificent and magnificent. Where the Queen reigns, there is a lot of pride. London is vibrant and brilliant. Ancient streets filled with timestamps. Oxford, Cambridge, prestigious universities, a place where knowledge spreads and dreams are nurtured. The village is peaceful, poetic, and charming. Green grass fields, shady willow trees. The sound of church bells echoed everywhere brings a peaceful sound, dispelling all worries. London is vibrant and brilliant. Ancient streets filled with timestamps. Oxford, Cambridge, prestigious universities, a place where knowledge spreads and dreams are nurtured. The village is peaceful, poetic and charming. Green grass fields, shady willow trees. The sound of church bells echoed everywhere brings a peaceful sound, dispelling all worries. London is vibrant and brilliant. Ancient streets filled with timestamps. Oxford, Cambridge, prestigious universities, a place where knowledge spreads and dreams are nurtured. Mysterious Stonehenge historical site tells an ancient story of a glorious time. Majestic Dover coast, whispering waves, bringing salty breath from the vast ocean. London is vibrant and brilliant. Ancient streets filled with timestamps. Oxford, Cambridge, prestigious universities, a place where knowledge spreads and dreams are nurtured. England is beautiful and powerful. In the hearts of tourists, there is always a desire to return. A peaceful land with warm hospitality, an indelible mark in everyone's heart.